the integral of exponent 3x sin x dx. So for us to integrate this equation, we shall do the assigning. So this will be our u, this will be our dv like that. So u equals to exponent 3x. So when you integrate exponent 3x, of course, integrate this, you differentiate this equation, du dx will be equal to 3 exponent 3x. So du will be equal to 3 exponent 3x dx. So this is the value of du, and then dv equals to sine x. So for us to get the value of v, we integrate this equation. So when you integrate dv, you get v equals to, when you integrate sine x, I get negative cos x. Integration by parts equals to u v minus the integral of v tu. This is the integration by parts formula. So we now replace u v and then du. So our u from this equation, our u is exponent 3. So this equals to exponent 3x. Then our v in our equation is minus cos x. So it's minus cos x, then minus the integral of our v is negative cos x, then our du, which is this one, so it will be dot 3 exponent 3x, then dx. So this equals to minus exponent 3x cos x. So this will be positive, and then we take out the 3, so it will be plus 3 the integral of cos x exponent 3x dx. Now from this point, you can see again, we need to do integration by parts at this point because we have cos x and then exponent 3. So we do the assigning of u and the dv. So exponent 3 will be our u, and then cos x will be our dv. So dv equals to cos x. For us to get the value of v, we integrate this equation. So when you integrate dv, you remain with the v, and then equals to, when you integrate cos x, you get sine x, and we have u equals to exponent 3x. Therefore, du dx will be equal to 3 exponent 3x, then du will be equal to 3 exponent 3x, then dx. So this will be the value of du. So at this point, we again substitute in the integration by parts. The formula is u v minus integral of v du. So we can write the equation equals to exponent 3x minus exponent 3x cos x, then plus 3. But remember, we are integrating here with the integration by parts. So 3, we open the bracket and substitute in this uv. So at this point, our u is exponent 3x. So we have exponent 3x. Then our v at this point is sin x. So we have sin x, then minus the integral of our v is sin x. Then we have du. So our du here is 3 exponent 3x dx dot 3 exponent 3x dx. Close the bracket like that. Now, you can do the rearrangement a little bit. So we have remember we are integrating this. This is the one equals to this, so we shall say we have integral of exponent 3x sine x dx equals to this, which is minus exponent 3x cos x, then plus 3 into exponent 3x sine x, then we take out the 3, so minus 3 because it's a constant, we take it out, into sine x exponent 3x dx, close the bracket like that. And then we have reached where we started from, because when you compare this and this, they are the same. So when we continue integrating from here again, then we shall be repeating ourselves and we will not come to an end. We will not come to an end of this equation. Therefore, we need to use, we need to be smart at this point for us to be able to get the result of this equation. So because they are the same, what we do here, we shall say let k equals to the integral of exponent 3x sine x dx. So that where there is this function or this integral, we replace k. So we go back to the equation, which shall start by replacing that. So our k is equal to, so k equals to minus exponent 3x cos x, then plus, we open the bracket, plus it will be 3 exponent 3x sine x, then minus 3 and 3, it will be minus 9, but this one is what? K, so it will be 9k like that. Now, like terms, k crosses to this side, it's negative, it crosses equals and it becomes positive. So we have 10k equals to, let's start with positive values. So I'll have 3 exponent 3x sine x, then minus exponent 3x cos x like that. So we can factorize out exponent 3x because it's common. So we have exponent 3x into 3 sine x minus cos x. Now, if you want to get the value of k, we divide both sides by 10. Therefore, k equals to exponent 3x all over 10 into 3 sine x minus cos x. Of course, plus we need to we have even we add the constant of integration. Now, but we said this is our k equals to this. So at this point, we replace the value of k. So therefore, because k equals to integral of that, you can answer it. Therefore, the integral of exponent 3x sine x dx equals to, it will be exponent 3x all over 10 into 3 sine x minus cos x, then plus the constant of integration. Thank you.